macOS has some features built in to change the color and contrast of objects. To make them easier to read, go to System References. To the Accessibility category. Then go to Display. The Invert Colors option will reverse all of the color on the screen. If you're trying to read white text on a dark background, this can help. It shows everything like a camera negative. Disable the Invert Colors option to go back to normal. Choose Use Grayscale to change everything to black and white. This can also help with difficult to read text and can be useful for people with certain types of color blindness. Finally, the Increase Contrast option makes buttons and other interface elements stand out to make them easier to see.